what is the difference between a membrane and a mechanical keyboard, and why should you pick a mechanical keyboard? Well, for starters, with mechanical keyboards, you just have so many more options because of the switches. With membrane keyboards, you have that same rubber dome, and so because of that, they all feel very spongy. But with mechanical keyboards, there's all types of switches. So you've got clicky switches, got linear switches, tactile switches, even magnetic switches. They are also just in general faster than membrane keyboards. So for instance, this Razer has a 1mm actuation force. So it will press down and initiate the key after 1mm has been pressed. And really, there's one important factor. It's just the sound, innit?